Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I was just playing around tonight. Little different way to draw a flower that would be pretty easy. Let's take a rectangle and make it square by holding down the control button, any size you want. And then with your ratio locked, let's turn that one and that one 2 inches. Need a little more. Let's make it 4. And with the ratio locked, it's just going to do the 2 that you want. Now, Control D on your keyboard, and while holding down the control button until you get that two-sided arrow, Control D with your keyboard, get that two-sided arrow and go here. Now, take your virtual segment delete key and just wipe through there. You don't really have to, but I always take my Smart Fill tool and fill it in. That way, it's all the joints are joined together. So let's just delete that. Hit P on your keyboard. Let's left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate. And let's rotate it 45 degrees. There's our flower. Take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and let's move it out of the way. And then you can either have a center or not. Hit P, left click, no fill, right click, outline. Take a ellipse, hit the P, take your Smart Fill tool, draw yourself a flower. And for people that can print, you could make that one color. Let's make that yellow, and make the inside blue, just for grins. Anyway, pretty quick, easy way to draw a flower, and you can change it quite a bit, you know, with the sharpness or whatever you want. And then I would select it all and right click, no outline. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.